Hello guys, in this video, we will learn how to edit our users' information. Let us fill the post method, which is here. So what you want to do is, you want to enter the check utility again, and then request response and next. You want to find one. Okay, ID request.decoded user ID. If this error, next body.name. It is pretty straightforward. We're passing JWT middleware to check whether the token does exist or not so that we can use request.decoded. Then we check all the fields like name, email, and password to see whether they are empty or not. If not empty, then we want to set it to the new value. Finally, we want to save the user's object. And then we response the JSON data. That's it. So let's go ahead and test it. So go here and change this to post, and then go to body, and then change to here, and let's change our name to Arashahaya. And then that's it. Let's just change our name for the time being, and let's go ahead and post this. Can I get a response? Syntax error. Okay, the real reason why, because I forgot to add the arrow here. Save this, go back to Postman, check the terminal first, everything's good, then send it again, and successfully add it to your profile. So change to get, and let's get it and see whether our name changed already. Alright, it changed name from Mr. ABC to Arashahaya. So let's go ahead and change our email instead. Body email arashahaya@gmail.com, and let's post it again. Successfully edit your profile, change this to get, and send it one time. The email changed from abc@abc.com to arash@yahya@gmail.com. Amazing, it works. In this video, we learned how to edit users' information. In the next video, we will create another API, which will be to get and post the user's address. I'll see you guys in the next video.